Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Firefox. Open the library by clicking the library icon or pressing Ctrl+Shift+B. Once done, make sure you're in the profile that contains the bookmarks to back up. Profiles matter because each holds different data. Choose whether you'll export everything or only a specific folder. This affects the file you create. Next, click Import and Backup in the library toolbar. You'll see Export Bookmarks to HTML and Backup, JSON. You'll use Export for portability, Backup for Firefox Restore. Now decide which format suits your needs. Export to HTML if you want universal compatibility with other browsers, or choose Backup, JSON, to preserve Firefox-specific structure for later restore. Click the option you want. A file save dialog appears. Pick a clear file name and select a destination, an external drive, a synced cloud folder, or a dedicated local backup folder. Make sure the destination is accessible and you have right permission. This prevents failed saves and makes recovery straightforward later. Finish by verifying your file. Open the saved HTML or inspect the JSON with a text editor to confirm it contains bookmarks and has a recent timestamp. To restore, use Import and Backup, then choose Restore for JSON or import bookmarks from HTML if you exported. If something goes wrong, make sure you're restoring into the correct profile and that the backup file isn't blocked by permissions. Also try copying the file to a different drive. Remember, regular backups keep accidental losses small.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.